Oh, please. I'm sure they can also feel it, which is what is hurting me more. I was just going through. Holy, it is so cute. Back to back, back to back to back. I think Bhaiya has a problem with me. My forehead is shining from all the pasina. So I came to my room, and room aate hi, I was like, I am not even letting myself have the opportunity of wasting time and sleeping. So the new hack that I have discovered is that room में आके बिस्तर की तरफ देखने भी मत दो खुद को. Come and sit at your desk and start working immediately. So I came to my room and मुझे like कुछ urgently काम करना था. I opened my laptop and I got to it. I was like, no time is getting wasted. And उसके बाद immediately I, instead of again letting myself fall into the trap of मुझे नींद आ रही है, मैं थक गई हूँ, I should go and sleep. I was like, do, I will go and eat snacks. So I went with my friend and हम लोग ने snacks खाया. It was some fried idli something something. It was delicious, surprisingly. And उसके बाद now I'm here, and I was getting, wait. I think we can work on the lighting here. What was I saying? Yeah. Then I came to my room and then I was getting a little bit sad. I was walking to my room and फिर मुझे suddenly मैं थोड़ी existential mode में चली गई और मुझे थोड़ा sad feel होने लगा for literally no reason. Like this is just a problem that I have realized that I have, that whenever I'm not being productive or I'm like not in the activity of doing something or going to do something, I end up getting kind of sad. Tell me if you productive girlies relate, because I know you relate. I know you relate. तो फिर अपने आप को once again distract करने के लिए और थोड़ा खुश करने के लिए, because this problem, like this um, sadness, is not like, it does not really have a deeper cause. It's just, it's just become a habit, you know. So you gotta keep yourself not feeling that way. Basically, what I'm doing to not feel that way is unbox my packages. तो मैं लेने गई सब stuff that I had ordered अभी recently, तो वो आ गया है, तो मैं वो लेने गई. And then I realized कि मेरे पास packages है from April that I have still not picked up. So picked that up too. And वो तो mystery package है, जो recent वाला है मुझे पता है क्या है, but mystery package के लिए I'm more excited. So let's give myself some dopamine and see what going on. These are the packages. I'll start with the recent wala, like one of the recent wali packages. It's this. Okay, I already know what this is. I already know. This is my Girnar chai that my parents have sent me to help me in my productivity grind zone, because yeah, having chai in my room is a great pleasure of mine. Yes, see, I was correct. चाय तो इसमें है बहुत सारे ही पैकेट्स. इसमें कितने पैकेट्स हैं? 36. वाओ. इसके अलावा मैं कॉफी भी ऑर्डर करूंगी, विच विल बी माय दूसरी वाली कैपुचिनो वाली कॉफी. फिर क्या है? फिर है ये वाला, नहीं ये पुराना वाला है, तो ये हम बाद में खोलेंगे. Then this is the other dabba, the other recent dabba. Getting these big boxes from Amazon, like when you place an order, is so exciting because it feels like, oh, kya hai, it feels like a gift. But also it's so bloody annoying because how the hell do I open this now? What the hell? Why have they sent so much packaging material? Oh, yes. Yes, I ordered a case for my MacBook because I got a new MacBook recently and I have decided to not let it get destroyed by the manhandling that I do with that laptop. And yeah, so this is that. I'm so excited to put this on. Let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, it's very simple only to put on. So this is like I'll put the Amazon links by the way if you guys want this. This is, it's pink, but it's like a glass pink ऐसा कुछ तो था. I have so much to like update you guys on. It's genuinely insane. Where is the नीचे का part? मतलब नीचे का नहीं, ऊपर का part. मुझे तो नीचे का ही दिख रहा है इसमें. Oh, okay. This is the top and this is the bottom and this is my MacBook. अभी कर देते हैं. This is the bottom. Okay. Ooh, cute. Oh my god. Okay, let me put on the top. This is very exciting, actually. Very, very exciting. Opening side? What do you mean opening side? Opening side? Opening side. अच्छा, ऊपर का side. Ah. Okay. Oh my god, that is so adorable. My Mac is officially pink. Bro, this is so cute. Like, you don't understand. This is adorable. I love this. I'm in love. And the color is so perfect. Like, it's such a B color. God, I love this. This is a 10 on 10 purchase. Wonderful purchase. Pani break. Go have water. Please hydrate yourself. But the only concern I have with this is how the hell will I put it on myself? Is मैंने तो कभी किया नहीं है. But this is so exciting. This is literally making me so happy of the idea. Okay. Why is this so big? Like इन्होंने phone ही भेजा हुआ है. Interesting. Let's figure this out. 20 minutes later, and मेरा privacy screen तो लग चुका है, but थोड़े bubbles have been left because after all, it was done by me, an absolute professional in the game. But it's working. It's working. Honestly, I feel like it's going to be a good investment. Underrated things which it can help you with is अगर आप कहीं बैठे हो and there are lots of people around you and you want to check if there's like something in your teeth or you know if there's like a mark on your face or something, you just open your camera and then nobody can see what you're looking at, you know. But also, yeah, just in general, people have a habit of peeking into others' phones and being all up in their business, and I don't like that. I like my privacy. Okay, let's open the next dabba. This, I believe, should be the laptop ka privacy. Oh no, what the hell? Huh? Sorry, this is the 18th April wala dabba, and it is, ladies and gentlemen, upma. ये expired तो नहीं है, that's my only concern. It's like packaged वाला उपमा. Okay, नहीं, expired तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. That was the haul. अभी I'm gonna make some coffee. और उसके बाद हम करेंगे lock in. As this is a productive week in my life, we will be productive. We will be so on top of our game. And honestly, I think I have been. Like, I came to my room. I did not let myself sleep, even though I woke up late early today and missed a class or two also. So I don't need to be sleeping. But yeah, did not sleep. Actually sat down and told you guys the tip that I used to actually stay in the lane. उसके बाद अभी ये सब हो गया. अभी मेरा रूम हो गया है और थोड़ा messy वो भी ठीक करना है. I have to do like so much work, which I'm very like grateful for. It's all good work only. It's my own work, you know. It is still work, alas. तो वो सब करना है. And want to also start thinking about how I'm going to set up my room because I want to make it pretty. I want to make it feel like my room. So I have to put mere wo wala, my this thing, my what thing, my like you know the posters, not the posters, like these printout things that I had put up in my previous room. So वो भी है मेरे पास. उसमें से एक टूट गया तो मुझे फेंकना पड़ा. But other two I have, the other two I have. And I also want to put up my fairy lights, which I'm thinking about like where the hell should I put it up? Because I don't want to put it up with my curtains because then वो tangle हो जाते हैं and it gets quite messy. So probably not that, but like something else. Also, what else? I have to do my laundry, and then I just have a bunch of stuff that I just want to get done. I just want to like sit down, crank all the stuff out and be done with it. तो मैं बहुत methodically करने वाली हूँ ये. I think taking it step by step is the best thing to do. Like just sit down, be like, okay, this first, that first, then blah 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 blah, blah, so on and so forth. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna crack down. I'm gonna make coffee, clean my room, then immediately get to work. Let's do this.
Game shoot ends now. Not a finish that. Anything you say about it? Skating in fucking cornfields.
Indiana. Kid's fast as fuck.
What about Hoshiatsu Zay?
Good.
Looks like
Don't worry about me.
Sorry, I left my phone in the car.
Hi. Welcome to Monday. So मुझे एक वीडियो पोस्ट करना था जो मैंने कर दिया है. It's 6 p.m. So much is going on. I don't even know where to begin. So I came back from my classes. I have precisely 2 minutes before the next interview starts, which let me explain. Okay. So what? I had classes from 9 a.m. to 3:45 p.m. Okay. उसके बाद I'm basically I'm hiring an intern for Chill Chai because we're also starting some very cool stuff. We're doing personal branding services and everything. We're doing a lot of stuff. So उसके लिए I needed to hire. I am hiring an intern, someone to like be like almost like a co-founder with me on the whole thing. So उसका प्रोसेस चल रहा है अभी. आई हैव 10 इंटरव्यू स्केड्यूल फॉर टुडे जिसमें से 5 हो चुके हैं. अभी 5 बचे हैं. एंड 5 बचे हैं, 1 2 3 4 नहीं 4 बचे हैं, 6 हो चुके हैं. ओके सो या 4 बचे हैं. एंड या इट्स 6 p.m. आई हैव बिन लाइक एट दिस सिंस my classes ended आज 3:45 पे classes ended and मेरे नॉन स्टॉप बैक टू बैक टू बैक टू बैक 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 टू बैक टू बैक इंटरव्यूज चल रहे हैं. एंड ये मेरे इंटरव्यूज खत्म हो जाएंगे 7:15 तक. So yeah, well, I have a lot of other applicants also, वैसे, which who I will also be interviewing. I got an insane number of applications. Like, guys, if you guys applied, I'm so grateful. Like, wow. And you guys, like, to every single person who actually like put in the work and did the task and everything, I am so incredibly grateful. And yeah, we are just at it. We are just planning. Notes हो रहे हैं, बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. And yeah, I should get on and join my next interview. Oh भाई मुझे पानी पीना है, मैं इतना बोल चुकी हूँ, मैं थक चुकी हूँ. I also had to post a video. Did I mention that? I posted a video. Yes, I posted a video. अब अगले इंटरव्यू का टाइम है, अगला इंटरव्यू करते हैं. Honestly, now I'm realizing how helpful it was, like being in. So I was part of the placement umbrella का एक committee till like this, like half of second year, so like a year and a half I spent there. And honestly, like I learned so much because now interviewing is such an easy job for me because I've done it. I have interviewed and recruited juniors for our committee, and I've like interviewed so many people, and I have like led interviews. I've been the person asking the questions, right? So I'm very grateful for that experience because अब मुझे like use आ रहा है in the real world, which is like again an underrated way that these college things actually help you. But वही है, वो कितना help करते हैं वो आप पे depend करता है कि आप कितना उससे निकालना चाहो. So I feel like I learned so much and very grateful. Okay, अब मैं interview join कर लेती हूँ. Hi, hello. Hey. Yes, how are you? Tell me about yourself. Introduce yourself.
Then pull me close. I read your silence louder than most. One day you're warm, the next day you're cold.
Yes, I think it is better. Yeah, I was just going through the pitch deck you made. It's very nice.
But you ration yours. You open up just to close the door. Just to close the door. I stay up late trying to read your mind. I can't read your mind. But your love for moves that change all the time. Change all the time. Why are you always halfway in?
I'm so tired. This is so exhausting. It's fun also when you're talking to new people. New people. It's fun. But I'm thak gayi hu because I have to like think. No, you know who am I taking? Oh, I'm tired. I'm sure they can also feel it, which is what is hurting me more because I understand that they also probably watch my videos, so they would also like want to just have a chat. And I want to have a chat, but I'm bloody exhausted and I'm not able to give my all. I apologize to anybody who has had to be in my interviews, in the second half of my interviews, because this is not me. I have a lot more energy normally, and I'm a lot more talkative normally. Oh my god. Let's go. It's time for the next one. Oh, it's time for the last one for today. Let's go. Last one for today तो नहीं होने वाला है. अभी और schedule करूँगी मैं because I need to like be done with this. So I need to make like a decision really fast. God damn. Okay, चलो करते हैं last interview for now for this session. Hi. Hello. What's up? Tell me about yourself.
Dream walking with the
Call it what you want to. See, listening like I'm bad.
call it what you want to. His initial on a chain on. Not because he owns, because he really knows me. Holding my breath slowly as I need to save me. Would you run away with me? Yeah.
Guys, it has just come to my attention कि मुझे एक रिपोर्ट सबमिट करनी थी जो मैंने कभी सबमिट ही नहीं करी. So I'm doing it now. Luckily, it's not due. It's not overdue. It was due on. It's due on 30th July and now it's 6th July. So मैं बच गई हूँ. But yeah, I'm submitting it. I have to check इसमें similarity कितना आ रहा है. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. How do I check similarity? Processing है. अगर under 20 है, तो I'm sorted. 20 नहीं मतलब अगर under 10 या 20 I guess. Oh, please. I don't want to put time into this. I would have put up my vision board because I just realized that मैंने vision board इस room में नहीं लगाया. And it was है actually. मैंने बचा के रखा है. Which is very unlike me. Someone who's been this like a mess recently. Yeah. I'm just trying to optimize for productivity now rather than perfection because perfection तो नहीं हो पाता है. तो but yeah, I'm glad that I have it. उसमें से एक picture उड़ गया है, which is fine. I'll just like replace it. और I think actually वो कहीं गिर गया था. I'll just should probably look for it. आजा भाई similarity. I'm just gonna sit and stare at it. I should do something while it's loading. My bed is a mess. My cupboard is a mess. I have to do laundry. I wanted to sleep early so badly, but now मेरा जो AC है वो चल नहीं रहा है properly and भैया came to check it and then he was like कि the guy will come to put some part जो उसमें नहीं है in like half an hour. ठीक है. अब I think 45 minutes हो चुके हैं, अभी तक तो कोई नहीं आया है. I don't know कौन कब आएगा. Also, like I needed to get my curtains put up and nobody has come in the past 3 days despite me putting it thrice in the group. Yeah. Anyways, I'm pretty sure the curtain wale bhaiya is coming because I know that somebody is coming every like this thing every day. Okay, because I get the message on the group, right? Ki bhaiya is here, but bhaiya somehow just does not come to my room. I think bhaiya has a problem with me. Not gonna lie, bhaiya does not want to come to my room. Anyways, right now now that I am up. I am scheduling more interviews tomorrow के लिए. Yes, tomorrow के लिए I'm scheduling more interviews. And yeah, I'm just looking at my schedule. I have class till 5 only, I'm assuming. कल क्या है? Tuesday. Yeah, 9 to 5. Oh my god, I'm so sleepy. तो 5:45 से रख लेते हैं. What do you all think? है ना? 5:45 से रख लेते हैं. So that I can at least eat something after classes so that I'm not dying of hunger. Also, I put up my vision board that I had from my old room. I had kept it in my suitcase and I brought it this time and I have put it up. And अभी तो बहुत मुझे रूम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करना है यहाँ पे. Hint. So that is to be done. That will also be done, which I already started ordering stuff for. Guess what? I've ordered a whiteboard, like a massive whiteboard. इस बार I have not made the mistake of ordering वो वाला. क्या होता है वो? The चिपकने वाला. Like I've ordered a whiteboard that I'll put up with, these command strips. These are so good, by the way. Like they actually do not leave a mark. Such a blessing for college time, for college hostel room. Also, music that I'm currently listening to. As you guys know, I can't work without music. So the music I was listening to is Ojla, because I'm in an Ojla mood अभी. Okay, तो मैं सफर सुन रही थी और उससे पहले मैं लो फेट सुन रही थी. तो I have such like duality भी नहीं बोल सकती मैं. I have such like multi-linearity that just took me back to stats class, and that is one place I would rather die than be in. Classes, I came to my room. I uploaded my YouTube video. I also ate a hot dog from Nescafe because मुझे बहुत गंदी वाली भूख लग रही थी. And tonight my friend and I have planned to order Subway. तो technically that is also like hot dog adjacent. तो मैं hot dog के बाद एक और hot dog खाने वाली हूँ. It's okay. नहीं, I'm gonna get my favorite wrap from Subway, which is some chicken strips, smoked chicken strips wrap, which is what I'm gonna get. Anyways, abhi, I have to go and get my packages because I have a lot of packages. I gotta go get those, and then I also want to get coffee. But I low-key don't want to get coffee if there is too much bheed outside. The thing is, like, the new batch of MBA has started coming in, so like they're there, their parents are there. There's just too much bheed, and I just don't want to go in the middle of bheed. I just need like shanti after classes and everything, you know. I like my alone time, so I think I'll just make coffee in my room. Let's see. It depends on my mood. अभी मैं नीचे जा रही हूँ. अगर mood करा तो चली जाऊँगी. अगर mood नहीं करा तो नहीं जाऊँगी. Let's go. Then it's not doing. Like I would upload those video files. So then basically it finds a workaround. It studies the video frame by frame. Big reputation. I got a bunch of Amazon parcels and I will be unboxing them with you. एक तो मैंने कर दिया है. एक second. Also, I hit 40K on IG. I'm so happy. I feel like, you know, my growth on Instagram and on social media in general has never been like super fast. And people ask me this also, like, oh, did you have a moment where it like blew up? And when I've had moments where things have blown up, but I've never had like a oh bhai crazy ho gaya moment. So yeah, I've never really grown too fast. But I've also had, you know, not been too consistent also. Now I'm trying to be very consistent and trying to like go all in because I've realized that this is the love of my life, you know? Like other than the love of my life, who'll be the love of my life, this is the other love of my life. You know, like this is my biggest passion and it makes me so happy to be able to like share something and then connect with people and like build this community and be able to spread a good message and be able to spread the kind of message I want to spread. So I'm very grateful. Let me know what you guys think. Follow me on IG, by the way, if you don't. Instagram, it's Avshi Mish, AVISHI MISHH. I got this pink color ka, of course. Pink color ka, this thing. That is adorable. Eye contact lens ka dabba, okay? Holy, it is so cute. It is so cute. That is adorable. That is genuinely adorable. Oh my god, that's so cute. Anyways, हाँ तो the thing is कि मैं बार-बार eye contacts, you know, खोलती रहती हूँ और फिर I don't like keep it properly and then वो खराब हो जाता है, you know, and these are super expensive and I don't want to like waste them. Okay, I am not sure where my eye contact solution is, but I do have my eye contacts जो सूख चुके हैं, of course. I will deal with this later. So that is there. This is adorable and it's like holographic. It's pink and holographic. That's crazy. And then I got this thing, which is basically like I have a privacy screen from my laptop. So like, you know, if you watched my this vlog only, yeah, it'll be in this vlog only, where I put on my laptop ka this thing, pink case, which by the way it looks so cute and like everybody's been complimenting it. Also I put my phone pe privacy screen. I also have laptop के लिए privacy screen and it's like separated. So this is उसको चिपकाने के लिए permanently because वो चिपका हुआ नहीं है अभी permanently, वो अलग से है. So I will have to clean that and do that. So this will take some time, which I will get to later. I also got this one, this command hook, which I use for my mirror. पहले भी मैंने use किया था, but like low key, I don't want to hang my mirror up. I'm just enjoying the fact that ये मैंने ऐसे ही घुसा रखा है on my window, like my window का thing. So yeah. But a lot of things have to be done. A lot of work has to be done. I want to film a bunch of reels. I want to like sit down and script a bunch of reels and then film a bunch of reels because I love doing this. And I love like जब मैं flow state में आ जाती हूँ with Instagram, so I just like rapid fire it up. So I'm gonna put on some eyeliner because I love eyeliner and आज मैंने सुबह लगाया नहीं because I don't have time. So I'm gonna put on eyeliner. I'm gonna sit down and script some stuff and like actually turn my ideas into scripts that I can speak. I will do that and I have all my ideas written down in my Notion, in my WhatsApp. तो उसका मैं स्क्रिप्ट बनाऊंगी, फिर मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगी एंड मुझे वीडियो भी बनाना है लॉन्ग फॉर्म. आई हैव टू मेक अ सिट डाउन वीडियो. I love making sit down videos. They're so fun. And I feel like you guys like that too. So yes, sir. I have so much energy. Yeah. Also I'm on call. I'm also on call with a friend. So I will be doing that and I will be what will I be doing? I will be wearing eyeliner and I will be getting to work. I actually have to clean my room a little bit. It's a little bit of a mess, as we know how she does because she's crazy like that. The room to gadda ho hi jata hai. But I will fix it in like 2 seconds because it's not that dirty also. And I have to take off my nail paint and reapply it or like do something about this. I might apply a new nail paint, but like I'm just too attached to the red. Like something is wrong in my brain. Red nail paint and black eyeliner. It's an obsession. And I think it's just right for me. It just feels right. Like I feel like I'm in my element when I'm wearing red nail paint and black eyeliner. Laundry done. I actually have another load of laundry because I keep procrastinating laundry. Look at our stock. We ordered Subway. And फिर मुझे चाय भी है और अब हम Subway खाएंगे. And ये बाकी और random से. It is 8:50 now and हमने इतने टाइम पहले ऑर्डर किया था. But we went to get our order and then हम बहक गए. So we ended up going to have chai and now we're back. I'm back in my room and I will now be eating my Subway. So हम अब खाते हैं Subway. What do I watch? What is my watch? What is my watch, you ask? I don't know. Let me see. Oh my god. So one of my biggest inspirations in terms of like content, business, everything is Grace Beverly. If you know who that is, let me put a little synopsis about her from the internet here. But she is the coolest and the baddest. There's an interview on Forbes with her. It's a recent interview. And I'm gonna watch that.
There are going to be so many points in building cards. Okay. Your brand, Hala, is an apparel brand. A lot of accessibility. I think in terms of